Hi, the next model we have to make is a cone. So this is a diagram. Uh, just 60 one square is there. On top of that, one cone is placed. The cone's base circumference is 50 and the total height is 50. And on base and the circumference there is a 2 mm radius. So in solid edge protrusion on this plane, base plane, I am drawing one rectangle, and after drawing and connecting this, and then giving smart dimensions as well, 60 and 60. After that I am returning it. And 4 mm thickness I am giving, finishing it. After that I am going to sketch, and in sketch I am taking one circle, and in center I am making one circle, then returning it. Then again using protrusion, now sketch, I am taking this plane, this left right side plane, and instead of plane I am taking one point and placing one point here, and in this I am adding this base to this point is 50 and returning it. So this is like this. So here in revolve protrusion suboptions, loft protrusion is there. In that loft protrusion I am selecting sketch from sketch and chain, not single, clicking this and this and preview. That's it. The model is made as per dimensions. Again, save it as a part file and also save it as a STL file. That's it for this one. Okay. The second model we have to make in the same experiment is this cube of 20, 20 and 20 length, width and height, and on top of that 1 mm ME is to return. So this is also very simple. In part file, go to base, and in that just draw one rectangle and connect this, and here 20, here also put 20. So dimensions is done and returning, and in that give height as 20. So a cube of 20 is finished, and to put writings, go to sketch, and on top of that this face I am clicking, and here I am going to testable file and insert, and here I am taking impact is bold, and ME I am typing, and here I am taking 10. So this is ME. I am placing ME here. Seems okay. After that I am returning it. So ME as a sketch is done. Now go to protrusion and select the sketch, like go to protrusion and here select from sketch. Here this is a sketch. I'm selecting and 1 number I'm adding. That's it. Next, so to